In our last video, we made morning and evening routine shortcuts together. One tap, every app opens, and one tap to close them all. If you're new here, the next 30 seconds are for you. And to everyone who already set it up, in the comments, many kept asking the same question. Can this run by itself without me pressing anything? Well, the answer is yes, it can. Today, we will build 5 shortcuts. Each one is going to take barely a couple of minutes, and each one will save you a good amount of time every single day. First, the morning routine shortcut. 30 seconds, here we go. Open Shortcuts app, click on the plus symbol, give it a name, morning or start. In search, type Open App. Drag it to the left, and repeat it for the number of apps you wish to open every morning. Now click on App one by one and select your desired apps in the sequence. Once done, close it. There is your shortcut. Just to test it, you can click on it, and there you go. All your apps opens within just seconds with just single tap. If you wish to create evening shortcut, follow the same pattern in the search this time. Simply enter Quit App. Drag it, select all apps, and exclude shortcuts, notes, or some other apps that you don't like to close along with all these. Close and done. Your both shortcuts ready barely within 30 to 40 seconds. And this one closes all your apps with one tap. Now watch what happens when we even remove that one tap. In the Shortcuts app, mostly we are in this section. This is our dashboard. But at the top in the left corner, if you notice, there is an option Automation. This is where we set up our shortcuts to work on their own without we tapping on them. Click the plus symbol. Choose time and days as per your preference. For me, 9 a.m. Monday through Friday. Select Run immediately. Notify when run, and done. That's it. From now on, your Mac opens all these apps on weekdays at 9 or whatever the selected time is on its own. However, I must tell you one thing. It only works when your Mac is awake. If at 9 a.m. your Mac is at sleep, it will fire up all these apps as soon as it wakes up. Every morning, most people open calendar, then check the weather, then read their messages, 3 separate apps, 3 separate steps, before the day even has started. But one shortcut replaces all of it. Get to all shortcuts, click on plus. Give it a title. Morning briefing. Type in search, get current weather. Drag it to left. And then type, get upcoming events. Drag it to left. You can change the number of events. Then expand and choose today. Now type text, drag it to left. In text window, simply type weather and accept weather conditions, press return key, and now type events. To make your alert look a little more interactive, you can add some kind of emojis before weather conditions and events. Now, show notifications, drag it to left. Expand and type in title your day. By the way, to make it all work, you'll have to allow location services to shortcuts. Now make a right click to change color or icon. Also add it to dock. Your morning briefing is ready. Tap on the icon just to check. And there it is. There can be more creative customizations done in the same shortcut right now. However, I'm just keeping it simple. You can also automate this morning routine. However, if you're not available at your desk at that time, then you will miss your morning routine update. So leave it in the dock and click on it manually whenever you wish to check weather conditions and upcoming events the same day. You're already in your web browser. Working, emails open, reports open, everything in work mode. Then you want a short break, maybe for 5 minutes or 10. You wish to check your personal mails, you wish to check your social media. Most people pick up their phones, open everything one by one separately, or they do it on their Mac. But wait, one shortcut does all of it just within 1 second only. Again, in Shortcuts app, click on plus symbol, give it a name, personal space, type in search, open URLs, drag it to left, click on URL, and add your regular websites here. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, as many you wish. Once done, close this window. Make a right click to customize color and icon. Also, you can add it to your dock. And that's it. One click and you are into your personal space. When you're done, close the window and you're back in your work mode. By the way, if you have tab groups set in your web browser, that will still take few extra clicks to access all those websites. However, this takes only one click. How many times have you taken a photo of a receipt, a document, and needed to send it as a PDF? Most people open Preview app and export that file as PDF, then save it and then share it. But this shortcut adds that to your right-click menu in Finder. Before we create this shortcut, I want you to go ahead and create a folder in your desired location, especially for converted PDF files. And now this time, you can give it a name, Convert to PDF, type Make PDF, and drag it to left. Click on Input, Shortcut Input. Now save file and drag it to left. Expand and uncheck Ask Where to Save. Select your desired location, the folder that you created. Now take a look at that information button at the right side top corner, click on it and check Use as Quick Action. And your shortcut is ready. From now on, you have any type of photo, image. You make a right click on it, move cursor over Quick Actions, and click on Convert to PDF. And within just a second, you will find a new PDF file in your desired location. No Preview app, no multiple clicks. Your Mac can already switch between dark and light mode automatically, based on sunrise and sunset. But that is not always when you want it. Maybe it's a bright light outside and you want dark mode right now. Maybe it's a midnight and you want a clean white screen. It's your Mac, your screen, your call. So let me help you make it a one-tap thing. First thing, we give it a name. Now look for Set Appearance and drag it to left. Click on Turn and choose Toggle. Customize color and icon and add it to your dock. It just took us barely 10 to 20 seconds, and now you tap on this icon. Immediately, your Mac will change the modes. Just one tap, whenever you want it. No restrictions, day or night. One tap, you change it. Every shortcut in this video you built from scratch, but you don't have to. You can find hundreds of shortcuts built by Apple ready to add with one click in Gallery. The Shortcuts app has been already on your Mac since the day you got it. But majority of users never thought about it and they don't want to get into it. A lot of people think it's like a complex task, but it is not. Once you understand, it's easy to set up and customize your own shortcuts. Well, this is it in this video. I hope you found it helpful. If you're ready to step up, here's the next video for you. And before you click on it, don't forget to hit that like button, subscribe Crazy Editors for future tech tips, tricks, and solutions. Until next time, you take care of yourself and I will see you in the next one.